cytochrome C oxidase subunit E. So are you there from team 0759?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Thanks so much. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yordi Aprianto. And today is molecular, sorry. Okay. Molecular identification of Nemaeculus sp from Bangka Island, Indonesia, based on the cytochrome C oxidation subunit 1 or CO1 gen. Okay. Nemaeculus is a genus of stone loach native to Asia. There are 13 species of the genus Nemaeculus that can be found in western Indonesia from 44 species that exist in Asia. During our expedition to Bangka Island, which took place between the 20th and 25th of the January 2023, we discovered 15 leaf specimen of Nemaeculus sp. The specimen were collected using a fish trap in a Bumang Kemuja River. This is a Kemujang River. The specimen were collected using a fish trap in Bumang Kemuja River, Bangka Island in Indonesia. We identified Nemaeculus sp. based on molecular analysis by using the DNA barcoding method based on the cytochrome C oxidation subunit 1 or CO1. Again, DNA barcoding is a solution to provide accurate, fast, and automable identification of specimen and species discovery based on the CO1 gen Nemaeculus sp. Okay, material and method. In here, the specimen were obtained by the utilization of a fish trap deployed in the Bumang Kemuja River, located in Bangka Island, Indonesia. Two specimens were treated in a solution of 96% ethanol in order to facilitate subsequent analysis of their DNA. An additional specimen was present in a 10% formalin solution and afterward stored in the laboratory of aquaculture Bangka Belitung University. Okay, DNA extraction and amplification. In here, DNA was extracted using the 10% Solic protocol. Following the extraction process, amplification of the fertile fragment of mitochondria cytochrome C oxidation subunit 1 or CO1 was following the Bionesia method with FIS F1 and FIS R1 primers. Analysis. Species identification was calculated using the blood system and the blast and basic total alignment search tool nucleotide or NCBI in bank. The segments were aligned using the muscle algorithm. The evolutionary history was inferred using the Neighbor joining method. The presenting of replicate there in which the associated texture close together in the bootstrap test in Mega 10. results. Specimen of Nemmaculus sp from Bangka Island. The Nemmaculus species which is discovered on Bangka Island mostly is soapy forest streams characterized by rapid water flow, acidic water condition, and substrate composite of sand and gravel. The exminent species exhibit a total of 13 dorsal soft ray. The soft anal fin consists of 8 fins. The vertebral cone range from 34 to 35. The caudal peduncle exhibit the presence of acumen scales both above and below the lateral length. In this analysis of Nemmaculus sp. The specimen Nemmaculus sp was discovered in Bumang Kemuja River located on Bangka Island in Indonesia. The discovery of genus Nemmaculus corresponds in the record instance of distribution of 13 Nemmaculus specimens in Indonesia. Thus far, there's a specimen have been survived in the island of Java, Kalimantan, and Sumatera. In DNA barcoding, the DNA barcoding method was used in order to determine the molecular identity of the Nemmaculus specimens. Using FISH F1 and FISH R1 primers, the DNA barcode of Nemmaculus sp Bangka was successfully sequenced, and the length of the sequence was determined to be 670 base pairs. Species identification based on C1 gen. Based on the blast analysis, it was determined the sequence origin from Bangka Island is taxonomy classification under the genus Nemmaculus exhibiting a similarity score of 89%. Based on the finding of this comparative analysis, it was determined that no distinct species could be identified. Consequently, professional inference is made that the genetic sequence derived from the Bumang Kemuja River corresponds to Nemmaculus sp. This phylogenetic tree. We took the sequence of Nemmaculus X sequence and 5 species from the genome and will took the phylogenetic tree based on the C1 gen. Nemmaculus sp from Bangka Island was considered as the sister group to Nemmaculus genus. Our current research confirmed that Nemmaculus sp from Bangka Island belongs to the Nemmaculus genus and Blithioride family. Okay, conclusion. According to the result of the blast and analysis, the sequence that was found to have originated from Bangka Island is to be found taxonomically inside the genus Nemmaculus. The conclusion was reached as a result of the sequence height similarity score of 89%. The constructed phylogenetic tree confirms the Nemmaculus sp from Bangka Island belong to the Nemmaculus genus with the Blithioride family. This study contribution to the knowledge of Nemmaculus and enhance our understanding of the biodiversity and evolutionary relationship with the Blithioride family. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much for your excellent presentation. Now we have to move to the next presenter with number 0761 with the title Growth of Panama Shrimp, Didophanus panamae infested with extract of ectoplasm